Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Archives. Let us look at our learning problem number 6. So this question once again asks us to find the Cartesian notation for the 500 Newton force vector. Alright, so let's get started. So the first component that we can find for this force vector is along the y-axis. So Fy, or the component along the y-axis, is going to be 500 cos of 45. Since they have given us the angle between the force vector and the negative y-axis, we can simply find its component along that axis by using the trigonometric identity cosine. So, but also notice that the direction is in the negative y-axis, so we need to put a negative sign. Okay, so the value that we get for this is equal to 353.6. Okay, let's move on to the component along the z-axis. Once again, they have given us the angle between the vector and the negative z-axis, so we will follow the same procedure. Negative 500 cos of 60 gives us negative 250 newtons. Lastly, notice that they haven't given us any angle between the force vector and the x-axis. So to find the component along the x-axis, we will need to use another method. So we'll use the formula that I showed you guys in one of my previous videos. The formula that says that the magnitude of the resultant force equals to the sum of squares of all components square root. So it's going to be like this: square of the component along the z-axis plus square of component along the x-axis, and same with the y-axis. So let's substitute in the values. 500 is equal to negative 250 squared plus f of x whole squared plus negative 353.6 whole squared. So we get, taking square of both sides, we get 500 squared, and then bringing the negative 250 squared and the negative 353.6 squared to the left side of the equation, we get negative 250. I should just drop the negative sign now, but I'm just writing it down to reduce any possible confusion that might arise. And once we solve this on a calculator, the answer that we get for f of x whole squared is 625. And taking square root of both sides, we get f of x is equal to 250 newtons. Now that we have all components in all directions, we can simply write the Cartesian notation, which would be as follows. I will be equal to 250 pi plus minus 353.6j minus 250k. So this is the simple procedure for this question. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.